Ever felt like juggling your business finances alone in QuickBooks Online was like trying to herd cats in a hurricane? You're not alone. And maybe, just maybe, you've wondered, can I actually add another accountant to this thing? Like, is that even a possibility? Or am I doomed to solo spreadsheet purgatory forever? Look, we get it. Running a business is a whirlwind. You're wearing a million hats, from sales and marketing to customer service and, oh yeah, the dreaded accounting. And sometimes you just need a helping hand, especially when it comes to keeping your financial ducks in a row. That's where the question of adding more accountants to QuickBooks Online comes in. Now, before we dive into the how-to specifics, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a growing e-commerce business. Orders are flying in, inventory is shifting, and you're trying to keep track of everything while simultaneously planning for expansion. You've got your trusty QuickBooks Online, but between reconciling bank statements, managing payroll, and preparing for tax season, you're starting to feel overwhelmed. Or maybe you're a small construction company. Project costs are fluctuating, invoices are scattered, and you need someone to help you decipher the financial chaos. You need someone who speaks the language of debits and credits, someone who can help you understand where your money is going and how to optimize your cash flow. In both these scenarios, the idea of adding another accountant to your QuickBooks Online account starts to sound less like a luxury and more like a necessity. But is it even possible? And if so, how does it work? Well, the short answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely can add multiple accountants to your QuickBooks Online subscription. And it's not just a matter of convenience. It's a strategic move that can significantly improve your financial management. Now, why would you want to add more than one accountant? Let's break it down. First, specialization. Not all accountants are created equal. Some excel in tax preparation, while others are wizards at financial forecasting or payroll management. By adding multiple accountants with different areas of expertise, you can ensure that each aspect of your finances is handled by a specialist. Second, collaboration. Imagine having a team of financial experts working together to optimize your business's financial health. They can bounce ideas off each other, share insights, and provide a more comprehensive overview of your financial situation. Third, redundancy. What happens if your primary accountant is unavailable? Having a backup ensures that your financial operations continue smoothly, preventing any potential disruptions. Fourth, audit trails and internal control. Multiple users can add a layer of accountability, and if there are multiple people accessing the books, it makes it harder to manipulate or make errors that go unnoticed. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how to add an accountant to your QuickBooks Online account. The process is surprisingly straightforward. First, you need to understand the different user roles in QuickBooks Online. You have primary admin. This is usually the business owner or the person who initially set up the account. They have full access to all features and can manage user permissions. Accountant user. This role is specifically designed for accountants. They have access to the accountant toolbox, which includes tools for reconciling accounts, preparing reports, and managing transactions. Standard user. These users have limited access based on the permissions granted by the primary admin. They can be customized to fit specific needs, such as data entry or invoice management. To add an accountant, you'll need to be the primary admin. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the Settings menu, the gear icon, and select Manage Users. Click on Invite User. Enter the accountant's name and email address. Select the accountant user role. Click Save. QuickBooks Online will then send an invitation to the accountant, who can accept and create their own login credentials. Now, it's important to understand the permissions that come with the accountant user role. They can access the accountant toolbox, reconcile accounts, prepare reports, manage transactions, and generally have a very broad access to your financial data. This level of access is crucial for accountants to perform their duties effectively. However, it's also essential to ensure that you're working with a trusted professional. Do your due diligence, check their credentials, and establish clear communication protocols. One key thing to remember when adding multiple accountants is how to control the data. You can set permissions for each user. For example, you might want to restrict access to certain sensitive information, such as payroll data or bank account details. QuickBooks Online allows you to customize user permissions to fit your specific needs. Another great feature is the audit log. It tracks every change made to your QuickBooks Online account, including who made the change and when. This can be invaluable for maintaining transparency and accountability. Now, let's address some common concerns. Some business owners worry about the cost of adding multiple users. QuickBooks Online offers various subscription plans, and the number of users you can add depends on your plan. It's essential to review your subscription details and choose a plan that meets your needs. Another common concern is data security. With multiple users accessing your QuickBooks Online account, it's crucial to ensure that your data is protected. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and regularly back up your data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.